Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the YouTube Studio app and sign in with your channel account. This ensures your studio features show correctly. Once signed in, tap the profile icon, then choose YouTube Studio if not automatically placed. Make sure the app is updated. Older versions can hide features. Now, go straight to the left-hand menu or the bottom navigation where Content and Tools live. This first step sets up access to the audio library, so confirming account and app version avoids later permission or visibility issues. Once done opening the studio, tap the menu icon and look for Audio Library under the Tools or Content sections. The label may sit inside a submenu on small screens. When you enter the library, use the search box and filter by genre, mood, or duration to narrow results quickly. Preview tracks using the play button and use the download or add to video option to retrieve files. These steps help you find the right track fast and understand licensing before you apply audio to your projects. You tap a track to open details, check license notes and press download or add to video to include it in your project. This saves the file locally or attaches it directly. Make sure to copy any required attribution exactly into your video description when the license asks for it, because that protects your content from claims. If you cannot find or open the audio library, try updating the app, force closing and reopening it, or clearing app cache. This resolves most visibility and loading problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.